A cylindrical barrel is to be made that has the volume 6 pi feet cube. The material for the top and the bottom costs $4 per feet square, and the material for the side costs $6 per feet square. Find the radius of the barrels, thus will minimize the cost of production. So we have the barrel to look like this. So here's our picture. We have the radius of the barrel. The radius is this one. Radius R. The height of the barrel, let me call it 8. Height, this length. Now we have the volume of the barrels. We can compute the volume in terms of radius and height. Let's compute that first. Volume V equal to pi r squared times 8. This is our volume, and this is 6 pi. The material cost for the top and the bottom. So say the top and the bottom cost less $4. So $4 per feet square. So let's compute the cost for the top and bottom. The cost top equal to the cost for the bottom. This is the area of the top and the bottom, which is the same, times the price, $4 per feet square. The area is the area of a circle. Area pi r squared times 4. 4 pi r squared. So cost for the side costs $6 per feet square. So the side is here. You can think of this as you cut it. If you cut it along this line, what you see is a rectangle. If I cut it along this line, I get this rectangle, and the height of this rectangle is exactly the height 8 there. 8, the length here is 8, and this one is the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. So that's why area of the sides equal to 2 pi r times 8. The cost for the side equal to area of the side times the price 6. So 2 pi r times 8 times 6, 12 pi r times 8, which makes the total cost. Let me write as a function c. C equal to area of the top, bottom, which is 2 times this one. So top and bottom each cost this much, so we'll twice that much, plus the area of the sides. C, top, bottom, side. So these two contribute here, and the side this much. So we have C 8 pi r squared, 12 pi r 8. We want the cost to be minimum. So So we try to minimize that. 1c is mean. And you see that our radius and height need to be positive. Let's see the relation we have up here. The relation, the volume equal to this. We use this to write down one in terms of the other. So in this one, I find it easier to write down the height in terms of radius. 6 pi divided by pi r squared. So 6 over r squared. The height equal to 6 over radius squared. With that, we can rewrite the function c, the cost in terms of just one variable. C, the cost equal to 8 pi radius square, 12 pi radius height is 6 over radius square. Eight pi radius square, 12, 6 pi 1 over r. So this cancels with this r square. This is our function cost. Now it only depends on radius. 1 c is mean. And find radius, and we have the interval for that, 0 radius. This is a nice function. Let's compute c prime. C prime 8 times 2 pi r 12 6 pi minus 1 over r squared. Here you see that we have pi in common. I can group pi. But more than that, this one are on even number first of all. And then we have 8 equal to 2 times 4. 12 is equal to 3 times 4. 6, 2 times 3. So 3 times 2 pi. Minus 1 over r squared. So we have 2 pi in common. 4 in common. Put it out. 8 pi out there. Inside we have 2r minus here 9 r squared. 8 pi r squared 2 times r cubed minus 9. So this one 8 pi 2 r cubed minus 9 over 2. So 4.5 r squared. With 1 c prime equals 0. C prime r 0, which makes this term 0. R cubed 9 over 2 radius cube root 9 over 2. This is our critical point. So we have radius from 0, let's say here I have infinity. And then we have critical point 9 over 2 c prime 0 here, c. So c prime equal to this. If this is less than radius less than this one is positive. Radius less than this, so radius cube less than this one cube, because we are all positive here. So this means this one is negative. So radius less than this, radius cube less than this one cube. So which makes this one minus this one less than 0. Negative and positive. Go down, go up. minimum here. So CR, the cost is mean when radius cube root 9/2. See the question. Find the radius of the barrel. That's when minimize the production, cost of the production. So the radius is this. This is our final answers.